HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us visualize sampling error. Here's a display of a population where the color of each box represents the value of a variable and the population of scores on a memory test. The scores range from 1, dark orange, to 7, dark green. Scores that are further away from the average appear as darker colors. The blue squares represent people in a sample. In this sample, the average sample value is 3, which is less than the population average of 4. In another sample, the average sample value is 5, which is more than the population average of 4. This sample would be the most typical, with a sample average equal to the population average. Actually, very few samples would have an average exactly equal to the population average. Because of sampling error, the average of most samples would be close, but not equal, to the population average. Here is a sample with an average score of 4.3. Notice there are more scores above the average than below the average. Even with only 10 scores, it is usually the case that the number of scores above the average and the number of scores below the average will not be the same. This is due to sampling error. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.